Good evening, everybody. This is the TrickTrades trade recap today. Took a few trades. It was a great day. It was a slow day, but it ended up being a really good day. So we'll get into it here. First trade, CCCR. Let me zoom in a little bit here. I took two trades on this, one short or one long, one short. You know, it's such a shame. Saw the strength in the stock, lots of volume coming in. This on the daily, I've been waiting for the $3 break for a while, and it finally came, and I caught it, and then it just fucking brutal. So, anyways, I got long on this dip at 3099 was my entry. I didn't really care as long as it was before 3. So it started to bounce, and then I had to step away for a second, and I set a hard stop at 299. And what did it do? It stopped me out at 299. I have a feeling that there was a bunch of hard stops set, and then the market makers kind of tipped it to there. I should have been a little smarter and gave it a couple more cents. Ultimately, it's my fault. But I wanted the 3 to hold. And I mean, it held, right? But it was just shenanigans is what it was. So I got stopped out. And I mean, it made a nice little push. It would have been a nice little trade. But whatever. I mean, I made it back on the short side. So then I got short. One sec. I just want to make sure I have the right area. Let me look at my entries here. Was that it? No, it was over here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so my entry was 328, and I saw it try and make a push for high of day. It didn't. It rejected. So I started getting orders ready. I got my shorts, and just literally as I'm hitting the execute button, it dumped. But good thing, I mean, I always have a little bit of an offset set to my orders just to make sure I get in, just for reasons just like this. So I got filled at 20. Sorry, guys. Right at 328, right on the dot. And yeah, I was hoping to get entered basically right in here, right on this. Yeah, that's right, right on that last little green bar. I was hoping it was gonna pop, so I hit the order and it sent, and but it dumped. That's fine. I still made a nice little trade on this. So it washed out. I covered some on the VWAP, and then it spiked back up. But this was short. This is just one order of short. That's a short covering, right? So then I was like, I would never cover into something like that because that's just nonsense. It's gonna dive right back. I was just hoping nobody was gonna chase that because some people don't understand that that's what that is. That's just a short covering, man. It's no biggie. Some people get all freaked out over that. So, anyways, I rode the rest, and it broke the VWAP. I started looking to place some orders, and I got filled at 05 and 06. The reason for the 2 order entries is I was moving up in my seat. I had my hand on my hotkey, and I tapped it. So at least it was a cover and not to reshort the bloody thing. So that's all good though. And then it popped back up, but these are shorts covering at the end of the day. So I expect this to die back. It would have been nice to get reshort into that, to be honest. I do expect this to die off tomorrow, but we'll see. I mean, it is holding that 3 level, and it's been waiting a long time to break that level. So it is on the watch list, and I'll go over that in another video. So that was that, and then dust. That's right. The FOMC meeting was happening, so we were all in the room just kind of watching, and it's kind of a disappointment. But I didn't want to be involved in a really volatile time in this because it can get really wild really quickly. especially these 3 times leverage ETFs. They can get pretty crazy, right? So a lot of people have lost a lot of money on them. So I just got in, got out. I scalped it. I caught this dip here for the push through the previous close and the 28 level. It was kind of a couple things lined up, and that's what you got to look for. And then sold on this push. I basically top tick that. 1 sec, let me look at my... Yeah, 66 is where I got filled to get out. But I mean, look at how much I left. I didn't take a big enough position just to peel off as I went, because like I said, it's really volatile, and who knows what the hell is going to happen. I mean, we all remember JNUG last, I don't know, when was that? A couple months ago? A few months ago? And it just fucking rocketed, man. Like, so I would have been short on that, right? Because it's the inverse. But, I mean, that being said, I still made a little bit of cash on it. I made, what is that? Yeah, 66 cents. Actually, no, sorry, more than that. Well over a point. So, I mean, it was a hell of a trade, man. I mean, what am I going to piss and moan over that? No way. So, very happy about that. Last trade was CC. And Mo and I both, we caught this coming down. It's funny, we both had the exact same fucking entry at, what was that? Yeah, 28. It wasn't the greatest entry on, we were kind of chasing it down. But, I mean, when something like this happens, I'm expecting it to come back into VWAP and then pull back. 1 sec here. That doesn't make sense. I'm sorry. Hold on. 1 sec. Yeah, 39.28. Yeah. Yeah, right in there. Yeah, Mo and I caught the exact same entry. So it came down and it came back up, and silly me, I didn't reload on this VWAP rejection. That's okay. I took a really small spec size position on this. I'm going to be scaling down until my moving is complete over to my new house. Really excited about that, and we've had lots of really good news in the chat room. It's set to explode now, so I'm really taking it easy for the next little bit until next Tuesday, and then I'll be scaling up my strategy, and yeah, really just gonna knock it out of the park. I'm extremely confident, and I feel really good about it. So I covered, let me draw a trend line for you lads and lasses here. Yeah. So once it broke this trend line, and then candle over candle, I covered. It was a nice trade. I was really happy with that. Yeah, just a little kind of a scalp type of trade, but no, it was good. Like I said, really happy with the trading today. 1 loss, 3 green. Fucking killed it. Very happy the way the challenge is going. So excited for tomorrow. There's huge opportunities already setting up. Fucking pumped, guys. Pumped. So that kind of concludes the trade recap for today. So I hope everyone enjoyed. If there's any comments or questions, leave a comment in the box below, and we'll see you in TrickTrades chat, where you can join myself, Mo, and Leslie Ann to answer all your trading questions. Have a good night, and thanks for listening.